Hey guys, it's Alyssa Marie here. Welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry guys. I feel like it has been a minute. I've had some serious technical difficulties, but I'm here, I am back, and so let's just get on with this video. So for today's video, I want to talk about the Revlon Realistic Black Seed Oil collection, which is designed for natural hair. So I'm going to do an unboxing of the PR box that they sent me, and then just style my hair using the products. It'll be like a first impressions kind of review. So if you're interested in seeing any of that, just continue to watch. Ooh! So let's get in on this unboxing. So this is the PR box that they sent me. Look at how glorious. So this collection comes with 7 products. First we have a shampoo and conditioner. You guys already know how I feel about shampoo. It's not the best thing for my hair, but I am excited to try out this conditioner. Okay, and it looks like everything in this collection is actually infused with black seed oil. And it says, its unique infusion of black seed oil nourishes your hair, making it visibly shinier and stronger. It also provides hair with UV protection. Okay, that's interesting. I've never actually thought of my hair needing UV protection, and especially with the summer months, I'm gonna be making some good use of that. So next, there are 5 styling products. So first, there is their curling custard, which is meant to add definition. Then there's their buttercream leave-in conditioner. Then there's the twisting pudding. I might need to wait until my hair is a little bit longer to try this one out. There's the strengthening curl revive, which I think is meant to be a curl refresher. And then last but not least, edge control. Can't have a collection without edge control, right? Yes. Alright, so I'm really excited to get these put in my hair. I've actually never heard of black seed oil before. The typical oils that you would hear of are like castor oil, jojoba oil, argan oil, coconut oil, but I've actually never heard of black seed oil, so I'm interested to see what this can do for my curls. Can it make it nice and shiny? Because there's nothing I love more than some shiny, juicy, delicious curls. So I think I'm gonna just jump into some of these products right now. I will just do my first impression review as we go along. Alright, so I'm just gonna start by quickly refreshing my curls, making them a little bit damp so they're able to better receive the styling products. I just use a DIY curl refresher. It's just a mixture of water, a few drops of a very lightweight conditioner, and then 1 or 2 drops of castor oil. Alright, so now that my hair is nice and damp, I'm first gonna jump in with the Curl Revive spray. So really this just sounds like it's a lightweight spray that's meant to revive your curls a little bit. It's like in between a liquid and an oil, and it's just super lightweight. So I kind of appreciate that it's not like super heavy, because anything super heavy is no bueno for my curls because it just causes buildup and it's just a hot mess. Alright, so now I'm going to jump in with a little bit of the leave-in conditioner. It's a strengthening buttercream, and it says it's meant to penetrate deep and strengthen, seal, and smooth every strand. Oh my gosh, this smells so good! Oh, it's like a sweet, kind of fruity smell. Oh, it's bomb. I'm not going to go in with too much, so I'm just going to go in with a little bit to get a little bit of moisture going on in this dry patch hair. Alright, so far so good. Ugh, this honestly just smells so good. But in terms of how it feels in my hair, it feels really good. It feels lightweight. Normally I can tell off the bat if something is going to be too heavy for my hair, because then it'll just be white and it'll start to just make my hair feel heavy. But this actually feels really lightweight, so that gets a pass for me for now. Alright, so next I'm going to try a little bit of the curling custard. Alright, so off the bat, I can already tell you that the curling custard is definitely a little bit thicker than the leave-in conditioner. But I'm thinking maybe they would pair well, since the leave-in conditioner was nice and lightweight and that this one's a little bit thicker. This might actually get these curls to spring into action. Alright, so this is what I mean by when products are a little bit too heavy for my hair. I don't know if you can see it in the camera, but it's just leaving a little bit of white residue. Most times when my hair will dry, it'll go away and it'll be okay. There are a few products that kind of, this is like the first sign that it's gonna be flaky, but we're not gonna lose hope yet. I'm gonna go ahead and scrunch my hair with a microfiber towel in the hopes that some of this white stuff is gonna go away. Alright, so good news. It looks like scrunching my hair with a microfiber helped completely with the white residue that I was seeing just a minute ago. And not only did it help with that, but it actually helped to encourage more curls. So it kind of assisted the curling cream with, I guess it kind of activated it a little bit more, and it really helped my curls to just come to life. So that's pretty much it that I would do to style my hair in terms of like refreshing my curls using these products. As for the Curl Revive spray that I used first, I'm not sure that made much of a difference to my hair, if any, so I'm not sure this is 100% necessary. I do, however, love how the leave-in conditioner and the curling custard work together, especially once I helped to activate my curls a little bit more by scrunching them with the microfiber towel. I do still have a little bit of frizz in the back here. I'm not sure if you can see it, but this has always been my problem area in this little middle patch here. I've got a dry patch. If you watch my videos, you already know I talk about my dry patch in like every video. But yeah, besides that, I am pretty happy with these products. I am seeing the shine from that black seed oil that they're talking about, but I do want to spend a little bit more time using these products multiple times and in multiple different ways, like for example after wash day and stuff like that, or maybe for like an actual specific hairstyle. So I'm gonna use it a little bit more and then probably update you on Instagram as I try a few of the other products in the collection that I didn't get to try with you tonight. So yeah, I hope you found this useful. I will catch you guys in my next video. Bye.